Hi, my name is Nicole Steckline, and I'm a technical agronomist for DeKalb and Asgrow in Northeast Iowa. Today, we're going to test these two types of soils. We're also going to look at the actual strength of these soil aggregates to see if it can stay as one piece of soil instead of breaking apart. So I like to break soil health into three different parts. We think about the chemical, physical, and biological composition of a soil. I think that everybody has a pretty good understanding of the chemical portion, which would be testing for pH, soil organic matter, phosphorus, and potassium levels. Those are things that we can easily influence by applying lime to influence the pH of the soil, and then we can apply phosphorus and potassium fertilizers. But if we don't have the other two portions of the soil health triangle put together, being physical and biological components, that chemical component isn't going to work as well. Aggregate stability is the ability of the soil colloids, or the little pieces of soil, to stay together and to resist forces such as a tractor tire going on it. So what we're going to do is place these two pieces of soil into the water. And what's going to happen is the water is going to start going into all of the little pores inside of the soil. And the pressure from the water going into the pores will either break down the soil colloids and make the chunk of soil break apart if there's not a lot of stability or strength in the soil, or the pressure from that water is not going to break it apart, so it will stay as one. So we're going to go ahead and drop these in here. You can very quickly see the importance of the higher organic matter and the strength of the soil. Huge difference where this soil colloid broke apart immediately and there's just not a whole lot left. Where this one on the other side, it did lose some, but overall it stayed together very well. This one has a much more solid soil structure, where this one basically doesn't have any structure at all. It gave in immediately to the pressure that was exerted by the water. So while we have physical forces that are causing this to happen, where we've had breakdown of soil structure from compaction caused by tillage and breakdown of the natural structure, where this one here hasn't had any of that activity. It also comes down to biology. So what makes these soil particles stick together where this one didn't? A lot of it has to do with how much biology is going on in these soils.